Hello and welcome to Angular Step by Step course. Today we will discuss about the Angular routing. So it refers to the mechanism provided by the Angular framework for navigation between the different views or the component within a single page applications. It allows you to define the routes and maps them to specify the components, enable users to move between the different sections of your application without re-rolling the entire page. So Angular routing allows us to navigate from one part of our application to the another part. So Angular routing system is based on the concept of router, which is responsible for matching the requested URL within the corresponding component and rendering it on the screens. Here we can see an example. Yeah, here I have created three components: home, about, and admin. So I'm using these components here. So here, first of all, we have to do import a router module dot for route. In the for route, we have to give some routes. So what I have, I am here doing constant app routes equal to I'm providing array with objects. So here I am providing app route in the for route. Now it will be work. So here I'm giving. So here I'm taking path. In the path, we don't give any slash. So here component. In the component, I am providing home component. So I'm giving comma here, copied, and have pasted here for different components I have to provide, right? So about component, yeah, here we can give contact component. Yeah, here I'm giving contact. So mm yeah, expected comma is not required here. So here we can give the comma. So now it's fine, right? Then app component.html, um, I'm providing list order list. I'm providing list. In the list, I'm giving a in the home. So I will copy this and I will provide this home about and admin. So here I'm providing router link. In the router link, I'm giving slash. I have to give a slash here. So here we can provide about an admin. Okay. So then we can observe home about admin. So here we can give router link admin Is it match for app routing module S5? So sorry, I have given this contact, right? So I have to provide this contact here. Then only it will be work. Contact. Okay. Contact. Okay. Yeah, you can check now. Yeah, contact. It will showing about home. So here I have to provide some. Yeah, I have given this router link here. If I want to active this, so I will provide some. Yeah, here I am giving router outlet for navigation purpose. So router outlet, here router outlet used to navigate for particular. Yeah, here home works about contact. In about HTML, I'm providing about. Okay, so in contact we provide contact. So here home works, about works, contact works. But here I can identify which one is required. It is an active, right? So which one is active we can identify by using router link active. Okay. So router link active I have given. So I have to provide this app component.ts file. So here you can see, yeah, here you can see home also coming. Why? Because here in the slash we are giving, here slash we have given, this is continue for all the rights. So here we can provide app comp router link active, router link active options. It should be in brackets equal to no object. You have to provide exact true. So you can see now it is working fine, right? So this is the concept of angle routing. If you like, please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.